natural brown monochromatic makeup look, then I'm going to teach you how to do it. Let's get into it. I'm done with my skin prep. So for this look, you will need a full coverage foundation to cover up your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots, your acne, your scars and all of that, because you want your skin to look flawless. So I'm using this L'Oreal in the shade 35 Not Brown C8. Why? Because it's actually my shade and it's super blendable, right? Can you see how it covered up all the dark spots? So flawless. I'm going to do the smallest amount of contour on my face just to bring out definition, okay? Just to give the face definition, right? Make sure you apply this at the right places, okay? Yeah. So I used Avoir foundation in the shade 35 for this. I'm going to go in with my concealer just to brighten my under eye and equally highlight the other areas of the face, right? I'm going to go ahead now to set my face with some powders. A bright shade for my under eye, while I will go in to use my skin shade for my face. To go ahead now to set my entire face with my skin tone face powder. I'll do a little bit of powder bronzer to sculpt my face and also bring back warmth to the face, right? Awesome. I'll go ahead to bake my face with a translucent powder, okay? Just brighten the under eye more. Top is blush just to add color and warmth to the face. For the eyebrows, nothing too much. I'm just going to use our spoolie with brow tamer on it just to put the brows in place. Just to define the brows, we're going to go in with just a little concealer for that. For my eyes, I'm going to use my face powder all over my eyelid to act as my eyeshadow. So we are going to go in with an eyeliner. So we're going to do like a small soft swing. Okay, we don't need so much. To go ahead now to add a pair of lashes just to make the eye pop. For lips, I'm going to do like a soft lip combo. I'm going to go ahead now to gloss it. To lock everything in place, I'm going to be using my Peace Beauty Satin Spray. And guys, this is the finished look. So soft, so pretty, very simple and beautiful. You can actually do this for your everyday makeup look because it's very simple and easy to do, and yet the face is flawless. See, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share to your loved ones, and we'll see you guys in my next video.